This time I'm going to drill one hole at a time. Here's where I want my first hole to be. There's the hole. Get some silicone on a rivet. And I'm just going to put a thin layer on the back of the strap eye. I've got everything lined up. I'm applying the Rivet Tool. And you pump away, and hopefully it'll break off in the right location, just like it did now. Now I'm going to drill my second hole. This way I get really perfect lineup. It's not the space shuttle or a Trident submarine, so you don't have to be exact down to the fraction of an inch. And get a little silicone on that rivet. And we're going to pop a second rivet right in here. Pump the tool only as needed. And right now I'm experiencing a problem with the jaws engaging, which means I need to clean out the silicone from inside of here. Okay, I've experienced a jammed gun here. So I'm pulling out an old spent mandrel here. And I'm unscrewing the top bolt for the jaws of this machine. And there it is. This is the central core of a rivet tool. And as you can see, it's kind of gooped up with silicone and little bits of aluminum. It's actually looking pretty good. I'm surprised it jammed. So I've cleaned that out. Now the trick is to get it all back in the tool just the way it's supposed to be. This feature of being able to clean out the inside of the tool is an important thing to look for when you're selecting a hand rivet tool. The other is an assortment of tip sizes. For kayakers, you only need one. If you're a handyman around the house, you'll probably need them all. And I think I figured out what the problem is. It's not the tool, it's the rivet itself. Okay, what we've got here is a loose mandrel and a rivet. It's not a deal breaker, but it is sort of annoying. Problem is that the tool isn't able to grab a hold of it. So the way to solve that is to get your needle nose pliers on there and get the tool gripping as it's supposed to. And we've got it gripped. And we're pumping away, and it breaks off perfect. How about that? Wipe up the old excess silicone with a little paper towel, and we're good to go. If these rivets should break off too early, just take a little dab of silicone and fill in any rivet central hole with a little bit of silicone. It wouldn't leak even if you didn't fill it, but it makes it look better.